Good afternoon. It's now Monday 18th of August. I did want to go down and smash a piece of beach just down there because I'm expecting a new bit of kit tomorrow, so I wanted to really hammer a section of beach wet and dry sand with a coil, and then do the same tomorrow with a different piece of kit just to see what the difference is. But as you can see and probably hear, absolutely pouring down. It was sunny up until about 5 minutes ago. Anyway, if it gets better, I'll get back to you. Hello again, everybody. Well, as you can see, the rain didn't stop. It was just too much. It might stop raining as the day goes on. But I just decided to go back home. And I've got some old stuff at my dad's I was looking at the other day, and I can't believe actually old coins and stuff that he used to have in his collection. There's me metal detecting, and my dad, obviously he's died now, obviously when I was about 19 he sadly passed away, but I've just gone through a few old bits of his and found some old coins, and there's me metal detecting as much as I can, and some old coins were sitting there and I'd never even noticed. Just going to have a quick look through them, just to fill the video in, as I didn't get to go out earlier. But this is a Victoria halfpenny from 1893. 1893. I'd like to find one of them. Now, my family, when they were really young, used to live in Africa, in Zimbabwe, or what was called at the time Rhodesia, and they've got some coins, or had some coins from then. This is a 1937 East Africa 10 cents. I think that's George 6. I'm not sure. I've never seen one like that with a hole in it. That's quite good. A random one, a French one, 1981, 1 franc. I think it's French. My dad was in the RAF, and he was based in Singapore, so I'm guessing this is from when he was over in Singapore. 1967, 1 cent from Singapore. That's a ship halfpenny, 1939. George 6, I think that is. I'm not too clever on these coins, to be honest. And then some really strange ones. I checked this out, it's not silver. Well, it might be half silver. It's a 1920 Ceylon or Ceylon. It's got George V, King and Emperor of India. I was really quite excited when I seen that. I thought that must be silver. I've done a little check on it, and it's not silver, I don't think. 1920. That's quite good. But this one is silver. It's a 1946 South Africa 3D. Don't know if you can just see that. I'll try and focus on it. And that is George again, I think. It's not very rare, I don't think. I'm not very good at checking these coins out, to be honest. But that is silver. Woohoo! I got silver. Unfortunately, I didn't find it. Another bit of silver. It was this little locket he had lying around. That is silver. And that's St. Christopher, I believe. Obviously, he was in the RAF, so there's all these badges lying around. RAF Selector Kingfisher. I don't know much about that, to be honest. And obviously with the armed forces comes the Royal British Legion, and quite rightly so. BSA. Now I believe that's something to do with motorbikes, I'm not 100% sure. And obviously the RAF, I'm guessing he may have been based here. Royal Air Force Station Odiham, I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a nice little badge, that. And this one, Royal Life Saving Society. Got a number on the back there. It's quite nice. And this random stone, not sure what that is, to be honest. It's quite nice. And a little, I don't know if that's gold, but it was in amongst all that stuff. And then some random coins. These are sort of Japanese or Chinese or something, I don't know what these are. Little tokens with square holes, or squares should I say, square in the middle. Quite interesting, don't know what they are. Quite thin. Interesting. They were just lying around as well. And obviously there's just random stuff like a little silver. It's not real silver, silver coloured, silver stainless steel probably. A little fish knife. Have a little cufflink. And a marble. That's a bit random. It's a little marble. And I also have a connection to Australia. Got family in Australia. No, is that Australia or is that South Africa? I'm guessing it's Australia. I don't know if it's silver. There's no hallmark, I don't know what that is on the back. Yeah, it's a kangaroo, it must be Australia, surely. What else then? Random necklace. Also, this pocket watch. Really old. It's in really good condition. I've had these for years and years and years, and I've never really got them out and had a good look at them. That's an Ingersoll, I think. Ingersoll pocket watch. Really old, but in good condition. Also, this watch. It's a rotary. It's really hard to focus. Rotary watch. I'm guessing 1960s possibly. I'm not sure. But have a few interesting rings. There's this one here. It's quite a strange looking ring, that is. I've never seen anything like it. It's not really that heavy. On the inside there is a number. Just will not focus. There's a number. Try and find out number for you. 795 I don't know. Interesting looking thing. But it's not as interesting as these two. Look at this one. This is really nice. It's not that heavy, but it does have hallmark on it. There's not a chance I'll be able to focus on that. I will try and take a picture. I cannot read that hallmark, but there is definitely more marks there. But anyway, the ring itself is 1949 Kruger Rand. I think it's a coin made into a ring. 1949 Kruger Rand. Must have something to do with Australia, South Africa. It's got 1-10 Kruger Rand, 1949. It's got the hallmark on the ring itself, and underneath there, nah, it can't be a coin. Can't be a coin. That's nice. Nice gold. Must be gold. It's not very heavy though. I'll take a picture of that hallmark and pull it up and see if anyone recognises it. And this next one just looks like a plain gold ring, and it has hallmark on it, but again I will not be able to focus on that. I'll have to put a picture up. But interestingly, on the back, now, I've been seeing people dig up coins, and I've got all this stuff here. Edward, is it Edward 7th maybe? I don't know if you can see that. Edward. No date. I can't see any date. But it looks like a coin that's been totally flattened and worn down. It's been made into a gold ring. Another one. I don't know if there's any detail on the front, but that is totally plain. There might have been something on it at one point. But that is lovely, that is really nice. That's Edward. Is it a 7? Try and focus on that. Just will not focus. It's annoying. Anyway, that is really nice. I'm going to try and fix that. I'm not going to wear it because I'll just lose it. But I may try and fix that. I've had these things lying around for years and years, and I've just forgot about them really. Yeah, some interesting stuff. If anyone recognised anything and can tell me more about it, please do. I'd be really interested to know. I'm not very good at looking up coins and trying to find out what they are. But while I was deployed in Cyprus doing peacekeeping duties, I found some coins, not with a metal detector, but just lying around. Some interesting ones. 1955 Cypriot coin. It's got Queen Elizabeth on the back because Cyprus was still is, I suppose, a British colony. There's another Cypriot. I think it's Cypriot or Greek. Could possibly be Greek. It's got some sort of, looks like a Viking ship, but it's probably Greek. It's got 1960 in the middle, but at the top is 1974. That looks Greek. I found these in Cyprus just lying on the ground when I was out on patrol in the buffer zone. There's loads of coins just scattered everywhere. I should have picked up more. Try and focus on that. Nope, doesn't want to focus. 1963 Greek, could be Cypriot coin. And these two smaller Greek, I've just dropped it. A smaller Greek Cypriot coin. I should have really cleaned them before I'd done this video. Yeah, Cyprus. Try and get a date off that. 1 second. Try and get a date. 1988. Not very old at all. And this one probably the same. Another Cyprus coin, 1988. Exactly the same. I did buy a couple of coins from that Royal Mint. Quite interesting actually. It's gold coloured. 1967 3p or threepence. Basically it's just an old threepence, but they've coloured it gold and then they sold it. It's very nice. And last, finally, try and get it out. It's in this nice case. A 1962 1 penny. Queen Elizabeth. It's quite nice. I might actually put this coin in a future competition. It's quite a nice coin. I've had it for quite some time. I bought it from the Royal Mint, I think it was. And it comes in, both coins come in these little cases. But yeah, I might put them in a competition. I've not done a competition yet. But anyway, that was just to fill the video up, because it was quite disappointing. The rain was just unbelievable today. Really patchy. Just when I thought, oh, I'll go down on the beach now and do a bit of detecting, nope, the rain came. But tomorrow I'm hoping it's a bit different, because I've got a new bit of kit coming, hopefully tomorrow. And if it's nice, I can't wait to go and test it out. I'm really looking forward to that. But anyway, future competition prize, definitely. And if anyone can tell me more about this Edwardian coin ring, I'd be really, really happy. Anyway, that's all from me. If you like the video, please subscribe, and I'll be back very shortly. Bye for now.